Good morning, student. I hope you all are fine. I, Angela Nair, your computer teacher. Today, with the help of the presentation, I am going to teach you how to make simple digital web pages for web browser. So let's begin with the presentation. The main objective of the lesson is to explain you the following topics. What is HTML? Which HTML editor we use for creating HTML document? What is tags? What is the basic structure of HTML document? How to save HTML document on your computer and how to open HTML document on a browser. The first topic is what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and hypertext refers to the way your page link together to create web pages. That means with the help of hypertext, you can link number of pages together which you have made on HTML. Markup describes the layout of your web page. That means how you look at your page in your web browser. Web page help us to create websites. That means with the combination of these pages, the linking of these pages, we can create a website. It consists of series of tags and elements, and it is not a case sensitive. That means you can write both in small letter as well as in capital letter. For writing those HTML programs or codes, we need a editor, and for that we have to start a program which was present in the accessories, that is called as Notepad. Web pages can be created and modified by using a text editor called Notepad. And for opening that, you have to click on Start button, go to Programs, click on Accessories and click on Notepad software. Tags is an instruction to tell the browser how it should display certain content on the screen. That means you need number of tags which helps you to tell how your presentation, your HTML coding will look on a browser. HTML is of two types, container tag and empty tags. The container tags always wrap around the text or graphics. That means the main content which you are writing, that is having a container tag, and it is always have an open and closing tag. For example, HTML is having both the tags, opening tag and /HTML, that is a closing tag. That means there are certain texts in which you have to mention opening and closing tag both. On the other hand, the empty tag stands alone. That means if you write only the tag, then also it will be displayed on the screen. For example, BR is one that adds a line break in your text, and this is an empty tag. That means for writing BR tag, we don't need a closing tag. So empty tag do not have to be wrapped around the text and do not requires a closing tag. We can write it as a alone tag. Some basic tags are, for example, HTML, head, body, font, D. These are all container tags. That means if you have used these tags, you have to close also with the help of slash. That means /HTML, /head, /body. These are all your container tags. And examples of empty tags are BR and H. BR is for line break and HR is for horizontal ruler, which makes a straight line, horizontal line in your web page. What is the basic structure of your HTML page? That means when you want to create an HTML page on a notepad, at that time we have to start it with the HTML. It is the root element of an HTML page. That means it indicates that it's a HTML document which can be seen on a browser. Head is the used to display the heading of the page. That means that heading is having the title tag which tell you the specific name of your HTML page. And when you search anything on search engine, then you can write these names and you can search those particular pages. And the body tag define the main content, that is the main document part was written inside the body tag, and is a container tag for all the visible content, such as you can see the heading, you can see the paragraphs, you can see the images inside your body tag. Now the tags which we are using above should be closed because they are container tag. So we have to close that by putting a slash before the tag, slash HTML. This is the way you can make it. Some examples by showing you the program as well as the output. In your notepad, you can write your program in this way. You can start up with HTML. Second, write a heading. That means it is very important to put the title of your web page. Then the body parts where you can write the main content of your web page. Then you have to close that with the help of slash because they are container tag. On the right hand side, you can see the output of your program. That means when you run it on a browser, you can see the title of the page at the top of your web page which you have opened, and the plain white area which helps you to see your content which you have written it in a body tag. How to create HTML document? That means after making your HTML document, you have to save that file in your computer. So for saving your file, you have to click on File menu and click on Save As option. Choose Save As option and Save As dialog box will open, and choose All Files. Name the file and put the extension name as .html. It is very important. Whatever name you are keeping, at the end of that name, you have to mention .html in every HTML document. For example, I have taken a name xyz.html. So that means my file name is xyz.html, and after selecting the name or after writing the name, click on Save option. After saving your file, you want to see that file on a browser. So you have to follow these steps. Click on File menu and select the Open option. An Open dialog box will appear. Click Browser and the Window Internet Explorer dialogs will open up. Select the file xyz.html which you have created on your own. Click OK in the Open dialog box and the HTML file open it in a Internet Explorer. You can use number of browsers for opening your file. Chapter continue in the next presentation. That means I will explain you more formatting tags in the next part. So thank you.